So I would like to introduce you a little bit more to the pivot tables. Sometimes it's easy like that, one row, one column, but sometimes you need a little bit more. You can actually do a hierarchy. For example, you can do, I drag the ID here, and then I have a hierarchy month and then ID. You see it here. I have every month only one time, and then the ID spread over all these months. You see, every ID comes more than once. So now I have this really nice comprehensive overview. Before, if I remove the ID, I have only this 96, 25, you know, and now I have the ID. I have still 96, 25, but I have also this overview. If I split them, if I switch them, month and ID, I have a complete different picture. Same data, but a different view. Now I have the ID on the top, and I have how this ID is spread over the month. So please do thinking about this, how you need the data displayed. The second really neat trick is you can double click on every value every time and you get the data behind it. For example, I want to see this 406. I double click on it and instantly there's something opened. There's a new table with all the data that stands behind this 406. If somebody asks you what exactly is this 68, you double click on the 68 and see it's only one line, but I can show you the line. So that's really nice. That's really what you have to know about pivot tables. And in the next video, I'll show you some killer trick which you may not know about pivot tables.